In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you remove a person from your CRM, so you can keep your database clean and accurate. First, open Pipedrive and head to the Contacts area. In the main navigation, choose Contacts, then select People. This view lists individual people, which is what we want for deleting a single person record, as opposed to an organization. If you manage a large database, this is also a great moment to use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow down the person you're looking for. Double-check name spellings or associated organizations so you're certain you found the right profile. Next, select the contact you want to remove by clicking the checkbox next to their name. If you're cleaning up several entries, you can check more than one, but be cautious. Deleting is permanent, so it's best to be absolutely sure you've highlighted the exact person or people you intend to remove. Take a second to verify details like job title or email to avoid any mix-ups between similar names. With the correct person selected, look to the top of the list for the action bar and click the trash icon. This triggers the delete action for the selected contact. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure at least one checkbox is selected, since the action bar only appears when an item is chosen. A confirmation prompt will appear. This is your safeguard against accidental removals. Read it carefully and confirm by clicking delete. If there's any doubt, cancel and review the contact details again. Remember, deleting a person removes them from your people list and their record won't be available afterward, so treat this step like a final check. Once you confirm, the contact is removed from your list. If you refreshed or navigated away, you can return to Contacts and People to see that the person no longer appears. It's a good practice to scan your list after a cleanup to ensure the remaining records are still complete and up to date. That's all there is to it. Go to Contacts, select People, choose the contact, click the trash icon, and confirm. Keep your CRM tidy by reviewing contacts regularly, and always verify before you delete to protect valuable customer history. Thanks for watching.